Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Today I am going to talk about brain fog and how testosterone replacement therapy improves your brain fog. So brain fog is characterized by confusion, forgetfulness, lack of focus, and lack of mental clarity. As we get older, men experience diminished cognitive function. Decline in testosterone level can adversely affect memory, and so testosterone replacement therapy for men may provide effective treatment for cognitive decline. Low testosterone has been linked to poor brain health. According to research, low T in men increases the risk of development of Alzheimer's disease and age-related dementia. TRT may improve brain fog associated with aging and maintain energetic lifestyle. There are other factors that can cause brain fog. So along with age, the other factor affecting brain fog are overworking, lack of sleep, increased stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and hormone imbalance. So testosterone replacement therapy may improve all these factors that are causing the brain fog and eventually improving your overall brain health. So if you are having a brain fog or not able to concentrate on the stuff, talk to your primary care and get the testosterone levels tested. See if you are a candidate for testosterone replacement therapy to improve your overall cognitive health. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.